competition. That's why I made this today's chef competition. This apron and this cap my mother stitched for me. Today I will prepare in the competition healthy sprouts and corn and chatpata chaat. For chaat what we want I will show you. Okay. Now let's see that food items. Okay. Sprouts. These are sprouts and these are chana and these are kira carrot and this is tomato and this is onion and this is corn. And middle some pudina, some coriander leaves and one lemon. And this is salt and this is chaat masala. Thank you mummy, you stitched for me this dress.
It's okay, Chikdali.